Welcome to Appetite for the Outdoors with Carolina Cooker. I'm Chef Chad McIntyre. Today we're going to do something a little different from a turkey dish that you guys are normally used to. We're going to do almost a Greek take on this. It's turkey and orzo with a little bit of feta cheese. The great thing about this dish is it's a one-pot wonder. Everything in, everything out. So we're going to be working with the turkey breast today. What we've taken is one large turkey breast that's been cleaned, and we've actually cubed it up into about 1-inch squares. So we've got a Carolina cookware enamel pot. We got a little bit of oil in here, and we're going to add our seasoned turkey in, and we're going to brown it. Once it's been browned, we're actually going to pull it back out of the pot, and we'll add the rest of our ingredients into the dish. So what we're using today in this dish is we've got minced garlic, diced onion, sliced red bell peppers, diced tomatoes, we've got tomato paste, sliced zucchini, some dried oregano, about 2 cups of orzo, chicken stock, and some fresh cherry tomatoes. Been about 25 minutes. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. Everything nice and saucy. The orzo is cooked up perfectly. Nice soft cherry tomatoes. Finish this guy off with a little bit of feta cheese and green onions. It's a great way to do a different take on turkey that's hearty and filling, and it'll pretty much make everybody happy.